Hello physics class, it's Mr. Ng with a video to walk you through the last 2 pages of your momentum packet for the week. So here, this is basically what you see in the last few pages, and it asks you to do two things with this scenario. In each of these boxes, we have a mass, right, and we have a velocity. So we know we could find momentum, which is part A. Part A, they just want you to find momentum, so let's do it for at least one of them. The momentum of A is equal to the mass of A times the velocity of A. And this is pretty easy. We're just multiplying these two numbers together. So it's going to be 8 kilograms times 3 meters a second. So that momentum is going to be 24 kilogram meters a second. Oops, not 3. 24 kilogram meters a second. And then you just repeat. And after you repeat, rank them, right? But up here, for part A, we're just doing momentum is equal to mass times velocity. Here, for part B, it wants the kinetic energy. The kinetic energy. And you do have all the variables you need to calculate kinetic energy. Because if you recall, the kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 mv squared. So here, with these two numbers, with the mass and the velocity, not only can we find the momentum, but we could also find kinetic energy. So let's find the kinetic energy of A. This is going to be 1/2 m, which is 8, right? And then our V is going to be 3, and we're going to square that. So it's going to be basically 4 times 9, which is going to be 36. And if you don't remember, the units for energy is going to be joules, 36 joules. So repeat that over. You're going to get a series of numbers, and then you just have to rank them. And FYI, the ranks are not going to be the same. Just because you have more momentum does not mean you have more energy, right? Energy is way more dependent on velocity if you look at the equation. So sometimes you might have something that's a little bit smaller but going way faster. It's going to have more energy than the momentum that you expected. Thank you very much for watching. Again, it's just grinding through these equations. Momentum is mv, and kinetic energy is 1/2 mv squared. Bye-bye.